My name is Dabini Rali. I am pursuing my master degree in Department of English, Maharaja Krishna Kumar Singh Bhavnagar University. On today's occasion, Teachers' Day, I prepared my YouTube video on Animal Farm, which was written by George Orwell. Animal Farm, written by George Orwell. Full title: Animal Farm, a Fairy Story. Author: George Orwell. Type of work: novella. Genre: dystopian animal fable, satire, allegory, and political Roman enclave. Language: English. Time and place: Britain, 1943 and 1944 in London. Date of first publication: 1946. Publisher: Harcourt Brace and Company. In this Animal Farm novella, there were many characters: Major, Snowball, Squealer, Clover, Moses, Boxer, Napoleon, Benjamin, Mr. Jones, Mr. Picklington, Mr. Frederick, and Molly. Introduction about writer George Orwell. George Orwell was born in 1903 in Eastern India, the son of a British colonial civil servant. He was educated in Eton and later joined the Indian Imperial Police in Burma, then a British colony. He resigned in 1927 and became a writer. In 1928, he moved to Paris, where he worked in manual jobs. An anarchist in the late 1920s, by the 1930s, he considered himself as a socialist. In 1941 and 1943, Orwell worked a propaganda for the BBC. In 1943, he became literary editor of the Tribune, a left-wing magazine. In 1945, Orwell's Animal Farm was published. 1984 was published 4 years later. Orwell died of Summary of this story. Old Major, a prize-winning boy, gathers the animal of the manor farm for a meeting in the big farm. He tells them of a dream he has had in which all animals live together with no human beings to oppress or control them. He tells the animal that they must work toward such a paradise and teaches them a song called Beast of England, in which his dream vision is lyrically described. The animal greet Major's vision with great enthusiasm. When he dies only 3 nights after the meeting, 3 younger pigs, Snowball, Napoleon, and Squealer, formulate in main principle into a philosophy called animalism. Late one night, the animals managed to defeat the farmer, Mr. John, in a battle, running him off the land. They rename the property Animal Farm and dedicate themselves to achieving Major's dream, the card house. Boxer devotes himself to the cause with particular zeal, committing his great strength to prosperity of the farm and adopting as a personal maxim the affirmation, "I will work hard." At first, farm proposes Snowball works at teaching the animals to read, and Napoleon takes a group young puppies to educate them in a principle of animalism. When Mr. Jones repairs to take back his farm, the animals defeat him again in what comes to be known as the Battle of the Cowshed, and takes the farmer's abandoned gun as a token of their victory. As time passed, however, Napoleon and Snowball increasingly quibble over the future of the farm, and they begins to struggle with each other for power and influence among the other animals. Snowball concocts a scheme to build an electricity generation windmill, but Napoleon solidly opposed the plan. At the meeting to vote of whether to take up the project, Snowball gave a passionate speech, although Napoleon gave only a brief report. He then makes a strange noise, and 9 attack dogs. The puppies that Napoleon had confiscated in order to educate burst into the barn and chase Snowball from the farm. Napoleon assumes leadership of Animal Farm and declares that there will be no more meetings. From that point on, he asserts the pigs alone will make all of the decision for the good of every animal. Napoleon now quickly changed his mind about the windmill, and the animals, especially Boxer, devote their effort to completing it. One day, after a storm, the animal find the windmill top. The human farmer in the area declares smugly that the animal made the wall too thin, but Napoleon claims that Snowball returned to the farm to spotted the windmill. He stages a great purge, during which various animals who have allegedly participated in Snowball's great conspiracy, meaning any animal who opposed Napoleon's uncontested leadership, meet instant death at the teeth of the attack dog. With his leadership unquestioned, Boxer has taken up a second maxim: Napoleon is always right. Napoleon begins expanding his powers, rewriting his story to make Snowball a villain. Napoleon also begins to make more and more like a human being, sleeping in a bed, drinking whiskey, and engaging in trade with neighboring farmers. The original animalism principles strictly forbade such activities, but squarely Napoleon's protagonists justify every action to the other animals, convincing them that Napoleon is a great leader and it making things better for everyone, despite the fact that the common animals are cold, hungry, and overworked. Mr. Frederick, a neighboring farmer, cheating Napoleon in the purchase of some timber and then attacked them farm and dynamized the windmill, which had been rebuilt at great expense. After the demolition of the windmill, a pitched battle ensues, during which Boxer received major wounds. The animals root the farmer, but Boxer's injuries weaken him. When he later falls while working on the windmill, he senses that his time has nearly come. One day, Boxer, in now here to be found. According to Squealer, Boxer has died in peace after having been taken to the hospital, praising the rubbing with his last breath. In actually, Napoleon has sold his most loyal and long-suffering worker to a glue maker in order to get money for the fast on Animal Farm, and the pigs become more and more like human beings, walking upright, carrying whips, and wearing clothes. Eventually, the 7 principles of animalism, known as the 7 commandments and inscribed on the side of the barn, become reduced to a single principle reading all animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others. Napoleon entertained a human farmer named Mr. Pilkington a dinner and declares his intent to ally himself with the human farmer against the laboring classes of both the human and animal communities. He also changed the name of Animal Farm back to the Manor Farm, claiming that this title is the correct one. Looking in at the party of Elliot's through the farmhouse window, the common animals can no longer tell which are the pigs and which are the human beings. In this video, like this video, share and subscribe my channel, and I put the link of my quiz for participating in it, and also you gave the certificate of it. Thank you.